Hi, this is Dr. Reuben Chen, Chief Medical Advisor here at Sunrider International, and I just visited our Texas manufacturing plant. I want to give you an update about how we are working hard and round the clock to make sure the products that you love and need for your Sunrider business are being created right now. As you'll see in this video, production is really ramping up here at TXP, and our herbal tea and our capsule production areas are in full swing. So you can be rest assured that we're ramping up production for all of our product lines so you can get all of our favorite products into your hands and into your customers' hands as soon as possible. Here, a man and machine are working in harmony with our Cali 60 packs going through the glue machine. You'll notice that the Cali box is being tilted on its side to allow the printer to print the manufacturing date and other information on the bottom of the box. Here we have a Cali 10 pack leaving the gluing station into the tea room. We're currently running two production lines for our herbal tea in two 12-hour shifts, so production goes nonstop around the clock. At this station, you can see precision work with the Cali tea bags being filled, and this is where the tag and the strings are attached to the tea bag. And to speed things up, we're bringing on another technician this weekend to add in a third tea production line. Now here's a beautiful sight. Bella bottles can be seen exiting the shrink wrap section and then entering what's called the pillar induction sealer, a machine that affixes a foil seal to the top of the bottle under the cap to ensure freshness. These are Bella bottles exiting the labeling station with a freshly printed label. Here we have newly filled capsules coming off the encapsulation machine and going through a capsule polisher and capsule injection module. This step also identifies and removes empty or underweight capsules to ensure each capsule is filled to perfection. This is the slat counter station where 100 capsules of Primeagen are dropped into 10 bottles at a time. Once those bottles are filled, the next 10 bottles move forward to be filled. TXP has three capsule filling machines that are all in use, and all the encapsulation and tablet machines are in full production as well. Here we have Primeagen bottles exiting the induction seal station. The bottles are being conveyed under a sensor to make sure the tamper-evident foil is properly affixed to the bottle before packing it into a shipping carton. After production has been completed, the product is packed into shipping cartons. Quality control then does a final inspection of the products and put onto pallets for shipment. As you can see, there are a lot going on at TXP, and I'm excited to share that we're working on expanding our production capacity in all areas and increase our global shipments. New production areas opening this month include the liquid fill station, where we will make our favorites Evergreen, Sunnydew, and Liquid 5. Thanks for joining me on this visit to TXP. Stay tuned for more updates.